Hey guys, welcome back again, and in this video we are going to talk about the fonts and icons. In the last video we saw how we can actually style our text, and this was one of the example of how we can actually use text shadows. So in this video we are gonna look into the fonts and how we can do different things with the fonts. So let's get started. Before I start, I would like to actually create a division element here, and I want to give a class name fonts, and inside that I would like to create a heading for, and I will name it fonts, font styles. Okay, under there I would like to create a paragraph element, and here I will type something. Hello world, this is fonts tutorial. Next, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add font class here, and inside font class I want to manipulate something, and I will pick p element, and I have selected p element inside this font class. Okay, now I'm going to modify all those things. So first of all, I will talk about font family. So there are actually the four or five generic font family. Okay, I'm just gonna show you. Here you can see the hints. So they are first sans serif, monospace, cursive, fantasy. So what are the differences between all these fonts? I'm just going to show you. Let's pick up one of them first. Serif. Now you can see, let me just increase the size of it. Font size. Okay, I'm just gonna do some bigger. Actually it's not working. I've done something mistake here. It is fonts class. Okay, p element is fine. Then why it is not working? Okay, I'm just missed out here, semicolon. And you can see at the end of each and every character there is a straight line like structure. So this is actually the features of serif. And sans serif means, actually sans means without. So without serif means without these lines. So I'm just gonna show you right now. So for that I want to take one more p element here. Let me do it class, or I would like to pick this class, uh, sans, or this serif, and this should be class sans. In here we can type serif, and in we are actually selecting under the fonts and p elements of class serif. Now we want to select under the fonts p elements of class sans. So p elements of class sans. Now we will type font family, and we'll give Arial, Arial sans serif fonts. Okay, so in case of sans serif font, you will find it very smooth. That's why we use most of the sans serif fonts in our website. In any of the website, you will find mostly the use of this on the screen. Okay, we can increase some size also here. Font size per pixel. Now what what we can see now is, let's do some font style. So actually in font style, what you can do here is you can make your text italic. Okay, I just italic. You can make your text oblique, font style oblique. I think both are almost similar, so you will not find any differences, but it's okay. And the next I want to show you is font weight. Font weight. And for the font weight, you can use bold or any number like 300, or just use bold. Or also you can use font weight normal. Okay. So these are all basic things about fonts. Let's discuss about the icons, how we can use our icons. For the icons, I want to create a division. Actually, I've added this CDN here. So how you can find this CDN? Just go into Google and type awesome fonts CDN. Now you can pick your CDN from any of the websites. Like this is actually Bootstrap CDN. You can just copy this, and inside the link style sheet you can add this. Let me show you how I did. Here you can paste. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna create a div class icons. Okay. Set the icons. I'm gonna use these font icons. So let me find Facebook. Here Facebook is, these are the Facebook icons, squares. So how we can use Facebook? So you can copy this or just see the code here. FA Facebook square. To use this, you need to use this as a class. So better copy this and paste it here. Inside the I tag, you are gonna use class fa Facebook square. Okay. Now you will see this here. If you want to increase the size of it, I think you can simply go to icons, and I think I name my class as icons. Yes. So we can just simply increase font size 60 pixel. I will see the bigger size of font. We can add many other fonts like Reddit. You can copy this and paste it here. Also add some other like WordPress, paste it here, save it. You will see these fonts icons. Okay, so this was all from the fonts and icons. So in the next tutorial we saw more something about list and how we can create our navigation and sidebar list, and all these things you'll see in the next tutorial. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned.